This movie is going to show you how to use a tooltip in Director. So let's begin. We're going to import a picture and put that picture on the stage. So let's go ahead and find a picture of your choice. I'm going to go to our clip art that is saved in our Share folder under Corel Web Graphics. Pick any topic that you're interested in. Oh, apple pie looks good. This is a bitmap. So be sure to select bitmap image. It is not an animated GIF. It's 8 bits. There it is. It's in. Not sure why that error message appeared. Let's drag our bitmap image, this case it's pie, to our stage. Change your ink. This time I'm using matte because I don't want to lose the white in the picture itself. Let's put a hold on current frame at the end of our scene. Navigate to your navigation menu in your library. Hold on current frame at the end of the scene. We are now ready to begin. When we use tooltips, we need to create either an empty text cast member or an empty field cast member. I'm going to create an empty field. In order to do this, remember I'm going to my tools, I'm choosing classic, and I'm going down to my field tool. It's at the bottom on the left. Click and drag, create a field. Notice that here it is. It's in channel 2. It's in my cast. Don't worry about the field and where it's placed on the stage because it's going to disappear when we use tooltip. Tooltip uses 2 different behaviors. One behavior is a display text and the other is the tooltip behavior. The one thing you want to do is define your text properties for this field because this is what your tooltip will look like. So if you double click here and go to your text inspector, you can choose what is the color of your font going to be and what font do you want to use. I'm just going to use some standard imported, fonts, Comic Sans. Where are you? There it is. Okay. And the size of your tooltip, I'll keep it at that. All right, so define your font size for that field. Also notice what channel it's in. For us, it's in channel 2. All right. We now need to apply the display text behavior over the field. So, I've got my field set up. I want to go into my library. Open up your library. I'm looking for display text. There it is, under Controls. Drag and drop display text onto your field. Notice what it says here. Display text sprite behaves as not a status bar, but a tooltip. So change your option and click OK. Next, we're going to look for the tooltip behavior. Tooltip is in Controls as well. Scroll down to the bottom. Now, the tooltip goes over the graphic where you want the tooltip to appear. So I'm going to drag and drop the tooltip onto my pie. What do I want the tooltip to say? Nothing like apple pie. That's good for me. Pause before showing the tooltip. This is in ticks. So, do you want to have a pause? I'm going to bring mine down a little bit because I want to see it pretty much right away. Hide the tooltip if the user clicks on the sprite. Yeah, okay, I can do that. And where do I want the tooltip to be positioned? Do I want it on the center? Now, this is of the graphic. No, I'm going to say under the mouse. I like under the mouse. Now, this is also important. Use which sprite to display the tooltip. This is asking you, where is that empty text or field? Here it is in channel 2. That's what this 2 means. Hit OK. Now, rewind, play your movie. Notice that your field disappeared. When I bring my cursor, there it is, nothing like apple pie. Ta-da! You have now just done a tooltip. Do you want to get rid of that white background? All you have to do is change your ink. So click on your sprite, that's the field, change it to background transparent. Rewind, play, ta-da! Nothing like apple pie. You've just made a tooltip.